How to use GoodRx at independent pharmacies. To use the GoodRx at independent pharmacies, you simply have to look up your local pharmacy on the application, or you can also use the official website itself. Go ahead and launch the application or open any web browser of your choice, then head to the official GoodRx website. Once you're here, you simply have to search for your medication by tapping on the search bar at the top. And then you should be able to adjust the variables from doses and quantity to match your doctor's prescription. Once you go through this, you simply have to now enter your current zip code. Then look through the pharmacy list. Past the corporate giants, and independent stores will typically appear listed under their exact local business name or grouped together under a general independent pharmacist role. Tap the role to unlock the digital coupon view, and from there you can confirm participation directly and check for an in-house loyalty discount. Present the 4 processing codes, and you can now order or pick up medications at independent pharmacies. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.